Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel The Crochet World. Today I am going to show you how to make a crochet rectangular motif. This is a rectangular pattern of crochet. So you take foundation chains 16. I am using 3 mm crochet hook and 4 ply yarn for this pattern. So you make 16 foundation chains. And then you skip the next 3 stitches and go to the 4th stitch from your hook and make 1 double crochet. First 3 chain count as a first double crochet stitch and make 2 more double crochet in the same stitch. Total we have 3 double crochet stitch, then 1 chain, and then I am skip the next 2 stitches and go to the 3rd stitch and make 3 double crochet stitch. You skip only 2 stitches, not 3, and make the next 3 stitches. You make 3 double crochet the same stitch, then 1 chain, skip the next 2 stitches, go to the 3rd stitch and make 3 double crochet stitch. You repeat this pattern till the end. In the last stitch you make 3 double crochet, two and 3, then 1 chain, then 3 more double crochet in the same stitch. This is the last stitch. Then one more times you repeat the same pattern, 1 chain and 3 double crochet, 3 more double crochet in the same stitch. The other side of your foundation chains. And 1 chain and go to the skip the next 2 stitches, go to the 3rd stitch and make 3 double crochet stitch. Then I am skipping the next 2 stitches and go to the next stitch and make 3 double crochet stitch. In the last stitch here you make 3 double crochet, 1 chain, then 3 double crochet. I have already made the 3 double crochet in the very first stitch, so you make only 3 double crochet, 1 chain, then 3 double crochet stitch. I have completed my first round. For second round, you go to the next space and make one slip stitch and make 3 chains. After that, you make 2 double crochet the same space, and then 1 chain and go to the next space and make 3 double crochet stitch. You repeat the same pattern in this round, and you go to the corner and make 3 double crochet, then 1 chain and 2 chain and 3 more double crochet. After that, 1 chain and go to the other side and make same things, 3 double crochet, 2 chain and then 3 double crochet. You repeat this corner pattern in 2 sides. You repeat the same pattern in this side also, and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, The Crochet World. You follow me for easy and simple pattern. I will teach you an easy way. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.